Music to one's ears, unveiling the melody of expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a delightful expression that's music to one's ears. Have you ever wondered what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations? Well, you're in for a treat. Let's unravel the melody behind this phrase and learn how to incorporate it into our language repertoire. Stay tuned. The phrase, music to one's ears, is an idiom that paints a picture of receiving news or information that is extremely pleasing or gratifying to hear. Just as a beautiful melody brings joy and satisfaction to a music lover, hearing positive or desired news can evoke a similar feeling of happiness. This expression is often used in casual conversations to express that the information received is as delightful as listening to a favorite tune. While the exact origin of music to one's ears might be shrouded in history, it's clear that the analogy between pleasing news and enjoyable music has been a part of language for centuries. This idiom is a testament to the universal appeal of music as a source of joy and comfort, and it beautifully bridges the world of sound with the realm of emotional experiences. Understanding its origins can enhance our appreciation of this colorful expression. Incorporating music to one's ears into your daily conversations can add a layer of richness and expressiveness. Here are some examples of how to use it. When reacting to good news, the project you've been working on got the green light? That's music to my ears. To express approval or satisfaction, hearing that everyone arrived safely is music to my ears. In response to compliments or positive feedback, your kind words are music to my ears. Remember, the key to using idioms effectively is to ensure they fit naturally within the context of the conversation. And that's a wrap on music to one's ears. We hope this exploration has added a harmonious note to your English learning journey and that you're now more confident in using this expression in your daily conversations. Language is the melody of communication, and with each new phrase you learn, you're composing a more vibrant conversational symphony. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to bringing more insightful content to your language learning playlist. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.